Hello, in this video I'll be demonstrating one of the effective home remedies for the cure or management of hiccups as promised in one of my videos. Well, before I do that, let's recap quickly. What are hiccups? Hiccups are sudden involuntary spasm of the diaphragm that results in a hic sound. What are the causes? They could be of minor medical importance to major medical importance. However, the good news is most hiccups are of minor medical importance. What are the treatments? The treatment is by identifying the cause and treating it. Now let's dive into the description I earlier talked about. Now let's demonstrate the effective home remedy for the management or cure of hiccups. It is described as drinking from the other side of the glass. For example, typically this is how we drink water, right? But in this remedy, you drink from the opposite side of the glass. By doing this, there's relaxation of the diaphragm and the hiccup will cease. Please let's note, this may not be appropriate for little babies. For little babies, I still recommend the other remedies as described in my previous video on hiccups. Thank you and have a beautiful time.